Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.1 QLED touchscreen spatial head unit for Toyota Highlander 28 to 2014 years. Okay, this Tesla style screen head unit. It comes with the spatial handle and it can work with the factory AC and plug connectors, plug and play. This is CAN bus decoder. CAN bus decoder and for Highlander 28 to 2014 year. And those connectors this radio antenna and the camera input. So it plug and play, and this volume control. All apps are here. Let me check the radio. This knob. Search the radio station when you connect the radio antenna. Okay, it works with the knob. And let me back to home. Check the settings. This is system settings, GPS, steering control, software information. You can check Android version 11. RAM 8 GB and storage 128 GB. It's factory settings and Android settings. It's video and DSP amplifier. Very fast response. It's DSP amplifier and Android Auto. There are two home style UI interface. This is car settings. Let me change its settings. Different UI style. Day and night mode. You can check this night and this day. Language. Okay, and this website, our website, you can check the settings and check the Android settings. This Android setting, this Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi, and support 4G. Display, wallpaper, You can change the size, text size. Display size. This sound. Storage. Total 128 GB. And about system, you can check Android 11 system. Okay, all apps are here. It's built in the Google Maps and Play Store. It's Car Auto for the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's volume control. And firstly, let me show the Bluetooth. It's built in the Bluetooth. Please connect the Bluetooth. This Bluetooth and this connect. Your phone will get message. Please click pair. This download the context listing. Currently connected. You can check. And you can make a phone call.
尊敬的用户，欢迎致电中国联通。
Okay, it works with Bluetooth and streaming music from your phone. Okay, this is Bluetooth and this AC information. When you connect the AC connector and back, it will show the AC information. You can control it. Okay, this DSP amplifier. And this music, this Bluetooth music, and let me show the music player. You can play the music USB. Okay. Also, you can change the sound on DSP amplifier. And video. it can't watch video. You need to set it in the settings. This settings right hand drive. It also can support right hand drive, and let me check that video. Okay. This 4K video. Picture in picture. You also can control it. Full screen. This 4K video. Back home, and if you have any more questions, you can visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com, and contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.